All right, so today we are reviewing the Spectracide Concentrate Weed and Grass Killer. I have used it before. It works quite well. It's pretty fantastic. Rainproof, and it says in as little as 15 minutes and visible results in as low as 3 hours. So what we're gonna do today is Friday, February 9th, and we're gonna come back tomorrow after 24 hours of letting it soak in and kill, just to be able to show you the complete results. You do want to do this on a sunny, hot day. You don't want to do it after it's rained. You want to make sure that it's dry out so that the plants absorb and soak up all of the concentrate. So I've got a 2-gallon pump sprayer here. We're going to mix about 10 ounces of this with 2 gallons of this, because it's between 5 to 7 ounces per gallon. So we're going to do just 10 ounces in here for the 2-gallon pump, and we'll get started.
Now, the nozzle that I'm using with the pump sprayer is a stream nozzle, and if you've got a cone nozzle which sprays a little bit more concentrate per square foot, obviously it spreads it out a lot better, then that might be the way to go. I used the stream nozzle because I'm just so used to needing to get into the root, and we have a lot of rocks, wood chips, weed barrier on the property, so trying to get down in there always seems necessary, but it's really not, because all that needs to happen is for this concentrate to touch the leaves and kill the plant.
All right, so here we are almost exactly 24 hours later, February 10th, and you can see that it has certainly done some damage. These are wilting, starting to die. You can see the leaves have begun browning and are on their way out. So it certainly works quite well. I didn't use a ton of it, but all of this stuff is slowly going to start dying. You can see they're no longer green and healthy. They are brown and dying. So in the next day or so, I expect these to be completely dead. And here we're back almost a little over 48 hours later on the 11th. And you can see everything is just about completely dead. So we'll pull those up soon. See the difference between today and yesterday.
Now, I have the 64-ounce bottle of concentrate, which will last a very long time if used efficiently, but I will include the link to that as well as a few of the other sizes in the description and comments below. I definitely recommend the concentrate because it's just cheaper per ounce and lasts a lot longer, but you can just buy a little spray bottle of this if you have a smaller yard or you don't have as many weeds. I have quite a bit throughout the entire property, so I get the larger bottle, but they make smaller ones as well.